So I know I don't look that presentable considering the fact that I have a kitambo on my head. Let's just be real, people. I'm at home and even the can't cook on nyumba. So yeah, and it's not a beauty video. It's not a hair video, so nothing cute, nothing fancy. So what I have, or rather what I need for this process, is a needle, and I just sterilized it, and my hands are also clean. And then I still have to refer to the video that I was talking about my piercings. I don't use I don't use methylated spirit because it doesn't work well with my piercings, especially new piercings. So I have here some salt and water in this small tin, and then I have my studs. I have 2 studs because I want one piercing on my Tragus and one on my helix, and then I have 3 earbuds. You can also use some cotton bud, or if that's what you have, you can still use that. And then so pretty much that's what I need. And then a mirror, of course, to be able to see. Just a disclaimer: 1, I'm not a professional. 2, I'm not telling anyone to do this. So if you want to do this, like if you want to do what I'm doing, that's on your own. If anything happens to you, I am not at fault. I'm just showing you what I want to do, and something that I've done before, so it kind of gives me the courage to do it again. Yeah, of course you need a biro. Okay, I use a biro pen to mark where I want the piercing to go. I'm very anxious. It's been 5 years since, like, this is the 5th year since I did my last piercing. So I'm gonna start with my Tragus because I feel like my Tragus is this thing I just learned. It's called a Tragus. So this thing over here is called a Tragus, and it's way, like, the cartilage is way thicker than these other parts of the ear. So that's what I want to start with. I feel like the forward helix is much easier to deal with. So gonna come down. Okay, so I want it right. Let me see what bairo yenyewe haiandiki. Hasiandiki. Yeah, just know that I've marked the part, even if it's not that visible. Oh, Christ of Nazareth. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pierce myself, and then once I've pierced it, I'm going to remove the needle, and then insert the stud again. Hey, operation for real. Jesus Christ. Well, the needle is quite thick, but it's out. Okay, if you're not serious. Yeah. It's halfway through. Relax. anxious. And I can feel it. I can hear the pops. There's no blood. People. Look, I'm shaking. It's so painful. It's not. This is the part where I don't usually talk. I'm still shaking. Yeah, what does it do for piercings? Or rather for the things that we love. Look, I'm shaking. There's no blood. So let me just insert this and then I'll be right back. Because I can't do it on camera. It's just too scary. People, now, this is where I'm at. I've kind of managed to push the stud into the hole. It's on the other side actually. I can feel the end on the other side. But sasa, it's gotten to a point where it's just studding, like it's not moving. I can feel it on the other side. But I still have to push it through the other side to ensure that the stopper can hold it. First, it wasn't painful actually. I'm talking now hata sijamaliza process. It wasn't painful, really it wasn't, but my ear is so hot. I'm still trying to push it through the other side. If it succeeds, I'll come back. Let me continue with the war. I'm still waging war. I'll be back. People, after 57 millenniums, which is equals to 1 hour, I was able to insert the stud and put the stopper as well, and that was painful. Like that was so painful. It wasn't painful piercing, like using the needle to make the hole, but it was painful inserting the stud. So I'd suggest, or rather I think like it's better off, there are needles that are meant for piercing. The needle that I used is used for sewing clothes. Yeah, like yeah, I'm such a badass, but whatever. So in short, what I did was I pierced myself, then I used my stud and then inserted, which took me like 1 hour to do that. And then the most painful part, like the peak of the pain, was inserting the stud. So here's the result. It's painful, no lie. Right here. And here's the stud. Yeah. It's painful actually. I can feel the pain, but it's the kind of pain that I can withstand. And I don't think it will swell that much. I don't think so. If it does, like my actions have to be worth it. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and like I said again, please don't do it because I did it, because I'm not a professional and I'm just doing this because I've done this before, and so that's what gave me the courage to do it again. And pretty much that's it. So I'll be taking care of my piercing using salt and water. That's it. Yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to also comment below and tell me your opinion or what you think or feel about my piercing. And then don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell button below near the subscribe button, so that you don't miss any other videos that I'll be posting in the future, because it will be giving you a notification every time I post a new video. And pretty much that's it. So up until the next video, bye bye.